Grady. Grady Michael.
Grady.
Is that good orange? Can you say mama?
Mom.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Grady, look up.
Gradester. No, don't eat that. Throw it out.
That was funny.
The hair.
I see Lucy. Mommy, I see my hair. And
Done?
in your hand, Grade.
There's one left. Eat it in your hand.
No, in your hand. Yep.
Oh, is that heavy, that chair? Yeah? Dad. He's so cute. What sounds a monkey make? What's an owl say? Very good. What does a moo cow say? What's a heffalump say? What's Grady say? What's Mama say?
Mama.
No, Mom loves you. So cute. Can you say I love you?
How?
How? Can you say I love you? Peekaboo. What sounds a truck make? I know. Look at the truck.
Mom.
What's that? What are you eating? What is that? Mac? Chip?
He said chip.
Good job. Can you say bye-bye?